It's Delia. That's me.
Hey Delia Boppers, what's up? So I decided to make a tutorial on how to make your boobs look bigger. Jenna Marbles already did an awesome tutorial on this, probably like the best on the internet, but mine's gonna be like a little bit different. It's gonna have a few less steps, a little bit more under boob. Those are really sort of the main differences there. We're gonna be ditching the 2-bra method because both of these bras are a cup size too small for me now. Although we'll actually be going with this one as opposed to this one. Although if we were doing the 2-bra method, we would start with this one, because this one's smaller and this one's bigger. And when you're doing the 2-bra method, you always start with smaller and then move to bigger. Because when you're doing the 2-bra method, you'll often have a smaller bra and a larger bra, much like you probably also have a smaller boob and a larger boob. But anyway, the reason why we're not doing the 2-bra method today is because I don't feel like dealing with safety pins. These bras are both a 34A and I'm a 34B, which is already gonna give some awesome cleavage and spillage. Not to mention that this bra is like super awesomely padded and comes with a hook built in on the strap so that you don't even need a safety pin. So obviously step 1 is get yourself a bra like this. Maybe even 2. I don't know what all brands make these. This is an exhilaration, which literally just means that like I got it at Target. Or Target if you're feeling fancy, or French. Okay, so step 2, we're gonna actually put the bra on. Like getting this hook right. No way. I'm gonna have to do this backwards like I always do. Go ahead and make sure that your band is sitting right and that your straps are well adjusted. Always make sure your boulders are properly adjusted and they're over the shoulder holder. Make sure to hook your bra in the back. And the whole point of having a bra like this. Adjust boulders again as needed. And as you can see, thanks to bras that don't require safety pins, they're kind of already all nice and up and in my face and booby. All nice and tit-tacular there. Now you can just use some bronzer to contour your awesome cleavage. And for an extra dose of eye-popping wow, we can add some highlighter to really make those puppies pop. And there you go. Now you too can make your boobs look bigger than they actually are. As always, thank you so very much for watching, and until next time, be your most beautiful you.